Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your Earbuds Cellularline FLICK. Firstly, we need to put them to the charging case. So open the case, put it to the case, and now your earbuds are disconnected from the phone. You can check it in the settings. If we go to the Bluetooth, as you can see, no connection. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices or Media Devices to Save Devices, but it also depends, because let's say on Realme, under your earbuds you have information in use when it connected, and no information when these earbuds disconnected. Okay, now we need to open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. And your earbuds reconnect to your phone automatically. But sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically. If you have this problem, open Settings, go to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and then tap at your earbuds at the device list. And we just reconnect them. So with this method you can fix a lot of small and sometimes big trouble with your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!